And I know a lot of us have been spending a lot of time here at home. And being that it's getting close to Valentine's Day, I thought it would be great to make a door hanger on our front door using items that I found from home. And I actually have a lot of limbs that have fallen in the backyard lately, and I've cut them into log-shaped rounds, thin enough, and we're gonna make a heart-shaped door hanger using just that. So I guess home is truly where the heart is. Let's get started. So I know I should really use a piece of thin plywood, but my jigsaw blade broke. However, I do have a lot of cardboard, especially one left over from a TV I bought. Yeah, I don't know why I keep them, but let's just hope it still works for another year. But anyway, I keep boxes and they're great to make things out of. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw out the shape of a large heart. And you might want to get a stencil. I can just freehand it. So now, just cut it out. I've got different size round logs, and I've cut them up in various widths. But these are kind of dry and lightweight, so I'm going to be able to hot glue these to my cardboard. And I actually put them all on baking sheets with tin foil, and I popped them in the oven for 400 degrees, and I did it for about 20 minutes in case there's critters in them. I know that sounds gross, but anyway, no critters, all safe here. And I'm basically just going to, I guess, puzzle them on the shape of my heart and glue them in place. Now I'm just going to take some burlap red ribbon and I'm just going to wrap it across so it still maintains the shape and put a bow right here. So now that you got your ribbon all together, I have basically drilled a hole through right here and here, and I'm just putting some heavy duty wire in it because I kind of want it to hang like this, you know, like that. So you just stick that through there and then you've got a door hanger ready to hook. So I have a hook that I've wired it kind of to be tilted because I kind of look like a box of chocolates. And then I'm just going to add extra ribbon right here to appear like it's hanging from the ribbon. And all we got to do is hang it on our door. So thanks so much for watching, and bye.